special family is cruising. This is the Great Crested Grebe's mobile nursery. Newborn striped chicks rest safely on their mother's baka.